It's spicy too.
Oh, it's spicy.
I'm a Cantonese girl.
Oh, this is so cool.
We just moved to this apartment, so the family wanted to throw us a welcome to Kansas City party, which is really sweet. And so we thought this would be a good time to actually open up. We've been waiting to open up our 100,000 subscribers plaque.
Wow.
So this is also for you guys. Thanks to you guys.
Oh my.
Oh, they send us. Do you remember your first subscriber?
Oh, I don't remember. Maybe Dad.
This is asking who's the 100th or the 1,000th subscriber. So if you guys think that was you, leave a comment.
Oh, it has the Chinese characters.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, that's awesome.
Wow. Yay. That's beautiful, actually.
So it's really nice because we just moved to Kansas City, so in the mail they actually sent us free tickets for the whole family. It's just a really nice welcome to the city.
今天我们来动物园里看动物，先在动物园的电影院里看一下动物先。
That's where the bird show is gonna be.
Traveling is a lot of hard work. That's right.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Look how cute that is. Oh my word, that's so cute. Oh, it's Pumbaa. It's Pumbaa.
Oh. Wow. So close.
Is it?
We want the hot. We want the hot. We want the hot.
What is this?
That's hilarious.
And it has 3 speeds.
The fence, right? Oh wow, that's so cute.
Well, that's too cute.
My mom's zoo bag.
想要茶还是水？
水，
水。
谢谢。I took a tram down to Africa.
Oh wow.
So now we get to ride in the shade over to Africa.
Look at
Africa.
Yes, so sweet.
We're in Africa now.
We are. I can feel it. It is hot.
Yeah.
Chicken tender and burger.
Jay's hamburger. Oh, and chicken fingers.
What do you have?
Turkey sandwich.
Oh,
Homemade.
that looks
Made
good.
with love by mom.
Wow, Ari got this.
That was very nice. Is it just okay? It's,
It looks better than it tastes.
yeah.
I don't even want to taste it.
Oh, you want one? I like it. You like it? Okay, maybe you can have more of it. Look at this sad burger for like $9.
That's very sad.
$9?
Oh, I would have paid $20 for that. Not.
It only has cheese and a bun. Look how sad.
You know how hard to live in America? Look at the burger.
The price, this is $9. These, we had 3 of these for $8.
Oh, that's
and this was
ridiculous.
$9.
Oh, this is $30 for
Crazy, huh?
Crazy,
A
huh?
lot of money.
Yeah.
We didn't make any money on
That's
it.
why we.
You
That's why
guys
we
brought
brought
your
the
sandwiches.
Yeah, that. Oh
Yeah. We're heading on to the Safari Skyway, I think it's called, where we're gonna fly over the zoo. So let's go.
Thank you. Woo! Oh, 脚下.
We're in the air. It actually goes really slowly.
Yeah, very slow.
Springbok.
Springbok.
Bok choy. Okay, how to say hard animal names in American English. Ostrich.
Ostrich.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Penguin.
Penguin.
Antelope.
Antelope.
Lizard.
Lizard.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Gorilla.
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 There you go. Sounds native.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Now, how do you say some animals in Chinese?
长颈鹿
长颈鹿. What's that?
Giraffe. 大象
大象.
斑马
斑马.
犀牛
犀牛.
河马
河马.
猩猩
猩猩. Me? I'm not an animal. Oh, that's cute. Look at his hand. Dad, what does he make you think of?
Jay's crispy pork belly.
He's pork belly. He heard you say that and he's running away. He's running away. Pork belly.
大猩猩
What does it say?
大猩猩
大猩猩。
大猩猩.
大猩猩。
We both have the white shirts on today.
And skirts.
And
Yep.
skirts. Yeah, that's funny. I think people can tell we're sisters.
We're going to take an African safari on the boat and go through the river and see the animals.
Nice. So right now we are heading to Monkey King BBQ and Noodles.
Monkey King, is it because it's a zoo day?
Yeah, because we saw the monkeys.
And tonight we are gonna watch some Chinese show about Monkey King.
Yeah, you guys need to learn about Monkey King.
Monkey King, this is a new adventure. Okay, we always learn something new at Jay, so this is another new thing.
Wow, that's cool. This is a guitar store. Welcome, Monkey King. That's a Monkey King, yes?
Oh, I've seen him before. I've heard of the Monkey King.
You know him?
I didn't know he owned a restaurant though. Yeah, this will be good.
Yeah.
There he is.
Oh wow, they have a lot of.
Oh, look at this, Jay.
Yeah, that's
What
it.
is it?
Oh, it's
That's just what Jay made.
yeah.
I was a little bit tired from the zoo today.
I feel so awake right now. I was tired too.
We were tired. Wow, Cantonese barbecue.
It's so funny to see something that he
I know, it just makes me excited.
你会说中文啊？对啊。哦，我想就是点一下有什么比较特色的菜。
谢谢.
I'm just gonna keep looking because they're really nice pictures. Thank you.
Dad loves this menu.
Well, because I can't read Mandarin, but
So you like the pictures.
I can read pictures.
Chopsticks.
Whoopsie.
Chopsticks, Mom.
Oh, there they are again. Okay.
Sounds good.
Solid.
Jay, you look so small compared to Dad in this shot.
How about this?
谢谢.
Oh wow.
Oh,
So this is the 3 different kinds of meat.
That's a roast pork belly. The sauce is called hoisin sauce.
Yeah.
This one's barbecue pork. Already have taste, okay? So you don't have to put any sauce on it.
Okay.
This 2 sauce, this one's sweet. This one's unsweet. For the dog.
Oh, very beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Mom and Dad just had my pork belly, and this is 广式烧肉。香
Okay,
肠
let's see. You're eating it all at once.
Ooh.
Change his feather.
This is good. I would definitely order that and eat it.
I think the crispy on top of yours I like better because it wasn't as hard.
This is harder.
harder to chew. Yeah.
Good, isn't it?
Jay's is better though. Jay's is better.
Yours is better.
It's still good, but man, yours just melted in your mouth.
Try this barbecue. This is also very popular. You probably like this.
I like them.
It almost has a sweetness to it.
Yeah. To me, it does taste Asian because of
it's
the
sweet,
sweetness. That's on it.
Yeah, that's duck. You can have that.
That's a duck that I like.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Because it doesn't taste wild. at all.
Yeah, it doesn't taste wild.
Wow. Have you had a lot of duck, Ray?
I've only really had the Peking duck. I haven't really tried the other styles of duck.
So tell me, Peking duck and this duck, which one you like more?
I
Oh,
like this one better.
you like this one better.
Yeah.
Oh, and then
Peking duck.
Peking duck. Okay, one. Let's
I
see.
wanted to try a leg.
Okay.
Yeah, that's really good.
Maybe you can't compare because they're totally different.
No.
They are
Yeah,
totally
they're totally
different. Yeah.
different. See, if Mom grew up eating this flavor, she would have liked duck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
这个是鱼香茄子。
Oh, this smells so good. This eggplant smells amazing.
This is the clay pot.
Wow. Yeah. The sauce is really. Oh, it's spicy too.
Oh, it's spicy.
I love it.
Oh, Ari, you're gonna love this.
We never ate eggplants in our house
No.
growing up.
We
I
never had
know what to
eggplant
make
in
it.
America, like ever.
Well, in our house.
At least in our home.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Isn't that good?
Oh, that's good.
Flat rice noodles with sliced beef, bean sprout, and onion stir fry.
Oh,
Okay.
it almost looks like a dessert if you
I
want
know.
to.
I thought it was a dessert too.
This is the serving spoon.
Yeah.
A lot of people said, why not using that?
That's how I learned what a serving spoon was. I read all the comments. It's like crispy on the outside.
Yes, crispy
I love
outside,
it.
inside is very soft.
Yeah, I love it.
How many new Chinese things can there really
Oh,
be?
so many. So many.
It's amazing.
It never ends,
We
huh?
have so many Chinese food.
I love the mushrooms. The tofu is the best.
Isn't that cool?
It's instantly juicy and amazing.
That's amazing.
This is very popular street food.
These noodles are perfect chewiness for me. And the flavor is great.
Salute this bite. It's a little saucy, but I like it.
Do you guys like a Monkey King?
Yeah.
I love it. Now let's go watch the movie.
If Monkey King cooks for us like this, I want to watch this movie too.
Oh, that's so cool.
He's a Cantonese
I'm a
girl.
Cantonese girl. What's the nicest thing you can do to a Chinese person?
You just say, I love you, and where's the bathroom?
Yeah, we're such a variety and such learning something new, and not just that, the culture in there. That's what I like to learn, the history and the culture.
最后79.3毛3。
You could tell Dad is happy.
They have big lazy Susans in those rooms.
Oh.
I love lazy Susans.
四海一家。Everywhere's friends coming to here. We are all family.
Oh, that's all the poor.
This is one character. Yes.
What does it mean?
What does it mean?
It's the name of a noodle.
Oh, it's a type of noodle. We always think it's going to be some wise saying or something. It's just the name of a noodle.
That's a lot. That would take a long time.
You guys look like this.
Whatever you want to sing, sing Monkey King. That was not good.
OK， 现在我们回来了，然后看一下这个功夫之王 然后成龙跟你年纪演的。跟他们讲了一讲这个孙悟空的历史，然后他们现在找一下这部电影看一下。年节撒尿的